Hello there, YouTube. I just activated my camera using this. Is it gonna focus? Is it gonna focus? I don't know. But what it is a remote shutter. It's Bluetooth. And so I can activate and deactivate the camera from anywhere, which is awesome, so that you don't see my hand going like this towards the phone, because I primarily use my phone to record my videos. So just a quick review. I received 2 of them for probably about less than 20 bucks. Not a bad buy. It could connect to a Apple phone or an Android, and it works really good. As you can see, I activated the camera without you even noticing it, and I will also deactivate the camera without you noticing it. It has 2 buttons. My lighting is horrible, but it also has an on and off switch. I don't recall if I mentioned that. It also comes with this little lanyard piece. Let's see, the brand is CamKix.com. Hey, go check that out. But anyways, just wanted to give a quick review on that. It looks like it uses, let's not push the button or else the video will turn off. Oh, well, the battery came out, so even if I push the button now, it's probably disconnected. But yeah, it uses a small little lithium battery, 3V, and you just press the button. I don't know why there's 2, I guess maybe one for iOS. I don't know how to make that camera focus, but one for iOS and then one for Android. I've been using the big one because I'm attracted to the big one, so it's been working fine. And I put the battery back in, and I don't know if you saw it blink, but it just blinked, so we know it's working. And yeah, but anyways, just wanted to give that quick review on this little shutter thing and let you know that you can buy one using the link below. I think I bought these on eBay, so I'll link the eBay to get these. And it comes with instructions, so you don't have to worry on how to pair it to your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, opinions, whatever, please leave it below. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.